Gucagurwo gwa Pope Leo wa 14 ni undu woereirwo na njira ya gikeno ni utongoria wa kanitha wa gatoreki guku bururi-ini na mabatiri aingi maririkanite ihinda riega riria magiire nake riria ageneire bururi mwaka muhituku ari cardinal.
Born in the one font of baptism,
Father Augustine Juma na Batiri Peter John EMAJI ni amwe a Batiri aria magiire na mweke wa guikarania na Pope Leo wa 14 ayeri magitariria maundu maria mathomire ihinda riu.
Is somebody who is so simple that people don't feel themselves less being with. So in all the pictures you could see people comfortably standing with him, both little children and even grown-ups.
He will console anybody, who will listen to anybody, and will wish you well. And he will follow up until your issues are done. Personally, he will take it upon himself to know that these issues are rectified. He doesn't sit when people are not fine.
Nyumba-ini no itari na magemio ona kana indo cia goro mwena wa Karen kanitha-ini wa gatoreki wa St Augustine Convent Chapel niho Pope Leo akomire kionereria kia winyihia na mundu utarabatara maundu manene muturire-ini.
All through the mass he was not rushing. I was the MC. I was one speeding up there. People were like saying, MC calm down, MC calm down. I was feeling for him because he didn't speak. And I looked at him, there was no expression of rush on his face. And yet there was a reality before him.
Kuringana na Batiri ni ati mari na ihinda riega na ria gikeno na Pope Leo na mamuganite ta mundu mwendi andu muthikaniriria na wendete gutukana na andu na makiria aria akirathi gia thi gutekumakania rangi wao na haha aruti a wira guku makaririkana wega uria mamunyitire ugeni na irio mithemba itiganite na makigia na mweke wa kurianira nake.
Kapika chapati, kapiga na wali pia na ugali na nyama choma na kuku fry. Walifurahi sana, waliona chapati walipenda kabisa.
Tulitamani I feel the taste ya huko kitambo waweze kuonja nyama ambayo aliacha.
Father Augustine Juma noria utungataga kanitha-ini wa gatoreki parish ya Sacred Heart Babadogo guku Nairobi ataririe ona gutuika ahotire guikarania na Pope Leo ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mbere ya cokete guthii mwena wa Karen gutabania mitha ni ahotire gukinyaniria maundu matiganite maria ni hamwe na gucera thukuru, gucera thibitari o undu umwe na gutukana na andu.
The more he goes up, the more humble he becomes. The more he has risen up in ranks, the more humble he has tended to be. And I saw somebody who was very calm, who was very humble, who was just, I said, no, this man maybe would have changed when he became cardinal. But now the more he went up in ranks, the more humble he became.
Batiri Juma hamwe noguo oigite Pope Leo wa 14 ni akinyanirie ikiro ciothe iria ciagiriire na uguo mari na mwihoko munene nake.
We had a problem and we met him in our office. And we were really furious because of a decision that had been taken. And you know, we were seeing the superior, the prior general of the order. And he looked at us. He gave us audience. He listened to us. I said, have you finished? I said, I hear you people. It's going to be fine.
Labda siku moja tutaenda Rome. Ya, nitaenda na mapadri. Nitaambia mapadri wanipeleke Rome. Nimwambie mimi nilipiga chapati ukakula.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.